It's Katie.
And it's Katie's cousin, Eloise.
And today we are going to be doing part 2 of our Lego competition. I only got this much done because we had to redo part 2. So I only got that much done. Yeah, so let's get started.
How about we both build on to yours?
No, it's a competition.
But I can't build mine anymore.
Yeah, you can. You just have to build.
I want to help you.
No.
Bye-bye. I'm not going to be in the radio anymore.
You have to build on your tower. Just build on your tower, Edie.
I want to build with you.
No.
Want to skid them?
No.
Oh.
It was in your bottom.
No, it wasn't.
If you guys think we're boring, then comment and subscribe for a chance to win an iPhone 7.
If you don't think we're boring, then don't write that. But write a nice comment. We'll give you 60 iPhone 7s.
Well, not really. We're going to give you $60, and so like and subscribe. And hit that bell because you will see my next videos. And I will announce the winners of who will be winning the iPhone 7 and the $60. So comment and subscribe if you want those. So you either have to say, I want an iPhone 7 or I want $60. All right? So, yeah, because I need subscribers. YouTube.
Ah. After this, we're going to show you our Halloween costumes in the next video.
Yeah. Oh my. We're weird. Comment, like, and subscribe if you think we're weird.
Yeah, we're weird cousins.
Even though we don't look alike, we're
cousins. We have blonde hair, we have the same color eyes, we have the same nose, we have the same mouth, we have the same skin. We're technically like twins. We both have freckles. Look at my freckles!
You can barely see mine.
Yeah, I agree.
Because mine are like blondish.
Let me see your freckles. They're really light. Mine are really dark.
Ow, you're on my...
Ah!
Do you like your freckles?
Yeah, I love freckles. I have a red freckle right here. That means the devil kissed me, and all the other color freckles, that means the angel kissed me.
Angel, kiss me.
And one time, my friend at school, Parker, he said my freckles look like bacon bits. Remember when I told you that?
Yeah, I remember. We're both in 4th grade.
I'm 2 grades younger than you.
Oh, yeah.
I'm in 2nd grade.
Don't say that. Are you just kidding?
No.
Yeah. You silly. You're not in 2nd grade. You are too kidding. Yeah. I know you better.
The subscribers know me better. What should we call our subscribers?
No.
KBs.
What?
KBs. Our KBs.
Do you know what KB stands for?
Katie Bell.
Yeah. Oops. technically Katie Bell's surprise.
Yeah, but KB surprised because it was shoulder.
I'm filled with surprises.
That's why her channel is called KB Surprise. So, Katie, this is a tower that you get to climb. You get to climb the tower, then you get to go here, then you jump into the pool. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy.
And weird. I'm just like,
We might have to do part 4.
no, part 3.
Well, this video's 5 minutes long.
Oh, it's gonna be more than that. I love my subscribers.
I love them too. They're not just your subscribers, they're my subscribers too. Here they are.
Edie, I made up this YouTube channel.
Well, it's both of our YouTube channels.
Technically. Well, you're just my special guest, but you're in my videos.
I'm in every single video.
No,
Not every single video.
I have 5 other videos right now. Because I just started like 2 months ago. I only have 5 videos. It's weird because I always miss stuff because I always have to go places.
Guys, you should check out her other videos. The rock pebble video, where she tries beach pebbles, and the surprise egg videos, Katie Shop Kids,
The other
the
part,
room tour, everything.
and the Look What You Made Me Do parody.
We haven't done that one yet.
Yeah, but it's gonna be done. We're doing 2 videos today.
This has a random eyeball right here.
We're making 2 videos today. Yay! It's this one and Look What You Made Me Do parody.
What made me do?
And then we'll record
Hey,
next
guys.
week.
It's break time. I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so I shake my butt. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Alrighty.
Alright. I know how to do
Make one more layer and then we're done with this whole competition.
Alright, matey.
I don't
Nar.
want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck.
So I shake my butt.
Do 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 do.
I made one more layer.
I don't want to be a duck. I shake my butt. Do 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 do. I don't want to be a chicken. Wait till I finish my layer so you can keep building.
Okay, guys. Look at my tower. So I'm going to use something as a Lego character. This is my Lego character. Ooh, look at this long, dangerous tower.
Did that hurt?
I'm okay. This is our character, Miss Lego Brick. Our character.
I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so I shake my butt, do 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 do. I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so I shake my butt, do 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 do. I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so I shake my butt, do 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 do. I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so I shake my butt, do 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 do. I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so I shake my butt, do 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 do. I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so I shake my butt, do 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 do. I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so I shake my butt, do 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 do. I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck. So shake my butt, do 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 do. I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck. So I shake my butt, do 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 do. That's so funny.
So this is the girl that's going to jump off of the tower.
No. I don't want to be a chicken.
I don't wanna
wanna
be a duck.
So I shake my butt,
Do 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 do.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 6. I don't want to be a chicken, I want to be a duck, so I shake my butt, do 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 do. I don't want to be a chicken, I want to be a duck. So I shake my butt, I need one more. I need one more. Do 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 do.
You sound like you're saying doo doo.
I know. stop yours. Look at mine. Look at mine.
Mine's taller.
Well, you cheated. You only did like. So this is mine.
Hers is neater. Do you like messy? Do you like taller or do you like neater? Messier or shorter?
Comment down below.
below. Now we're gonna wreck up our creations. Hiya!
So we'll see you guys next week. Bye.